Hi everyone, here's Tihan, and today we are going to modeling this remote, and let me start. So first of all, of course, open Rhino. Oh, so check, and we are going to draw some. Let me make us a photo, a reference photo, and drag it into our viewport. Capture now. Photo. Drag it into here. I think I will drag it here in the top view. Now we have a picture. Of course, make the layer. Change it. Select the photo and rename the layer and change it to object layer. Change object to layer. So just we have a photo here. And of course, lock it and rename the second layer as curves. Now I will also change the color. I think it's better for modeling. Now basically, I don't know how exactly big is this remote, but I will try to match the proportion. Draw a line here, and it's basically we can also do this. Drag it a bit to the top and just I have also record the history, so you can also enable it, always record history. And now I think I will do the mirror, so, and because the shape is a bit rounded here, maybe you cannot see in the picture, but I will make it. No, I just make I think I made the top one to rebuild it, or the both. Tough decision. No, it's not tough. Just make rebuild the top one, and I will just do 3 control points, degrees to 2, and just drag it slightly a bit higher. So at the end we get a nice result. Because we enable the history, it will also change the shape. But actually, I don't want it as be a curve, so I will set PT to just set in the Z direction. Here's the Z direction to the down, so it's a line basically. Now we can model in the radius. Just maybe I'm too quick. Adjustable curve blend. Second one, so curvature is fine. It's too big, I think. I'm not actually very happy with these 2 points, but we need it, so I'm going to rebuild it. I mean, you don't have to, but I just want to do it. So now we have this kind of shape. It looks actually good, I think. I don't have to adjust a lot. So now the second thing is just to, how does it look? Because you don't see the back now. Actually, it looks like this. You can also start to draw with me, draw the curve with me. And here is also, I don't think we need the circle. I'm going to, how can I do this? I'm going to rebuild it in 3. So drag it a bit, not this 2, actually it's just this one. I think it's not enough. No, it's okay. We just again adjustable curve blend. Make these 2 guys, and now you can just. Important is that here go into the curvature. So if you look nicer, drag it also really down. Maybe to here. This, so zack. I'm not quite happy with it, so I will just do it again. I think I will do it like this. Oh, I have one wrong setting again. I don't want to delete it. So trim, don't trim. Just like this. So now it's time to my mouse works not really great today. I don't know why. But let's try. Go on. So we have this, and what we need is actually. I think it's all what we need. Just want to check here. Okay, everything is fine. Now we can delay it. Pop a window because of broken history. And let me make a copy. Curve main body. No, let's make part. So select this one and this. I think select this one, change it to the layer. And this one to copy to the layer. Okay, fine. And we can make another layer and put another curve, the blue one, to it. Select all the blue one, change object layer. So now, so basically what I've done is just here the main part is like this, the front part is like this. Open the let the layer curve main part show up in the display, and at the next I want to split it here, this part. Oh, I can trim it. So delayed. Now we have this part, and just go to the mirror. Of course, we have in the must be in the same layer. So now we have this guy. And we go to join and just drag it. This on the gumball there's a dog. You can just drag it, and now let's look now this shape. And we can now also display the, oops, of course, another layer for the surface. You don't have to change it. I don't like the color. Now, here is a bit not tricky. Oh, we also need on the top view. We also need the the caps. Let me draw. I will choose here the rectangle tool, and I want to be center, and the center is in the Z point. How long should we? I don't know, but never mind. Also going to round it. Actually, I don't know how long it should be, but I just have the feeling. So actually you have to be in the middle, so I will just make type in the command to align the horizontal center. I never understand why it calls horizontal, because it's actually vertical. Now I will just adjust the control points a bit, so let the radius be beautiful. I think it's too big. The whole size is too big. Also, boop, make a new layer for it. Curve top, drag it into the curve layer. So if you become the sub layer. What we also have to do is just to change it to the layer. So now we have it. Maybe okay, perfect. Drag it a bit to the top. Basically, we now is going to do the projection. So we can split the part. You can go to the top view, select the curve, and just project it into the surface. Now we got two. This one we don't need. This curve we actually also don't need. Now I will select the surface and split it. Suck. Go yes. And we can delete it. I think I don't need the curve anymore. Now the next step. I have enabled my project of my old snap. I don't know why. So next, boop, boop, boop. Now we are going to make a sub layer. I will call it. I will call it curve cut line. I just want to make a line here, but we don't have to. I think I will to. We have here the curve, so you can see the control points. If the points are too many for you, you can also remove the duplicate points. I think it's where is it? Remove multiple nodes from surface. I don't think it's it. Okay, it's it. Okay, it's actually this guy. Remove multiple nodes from surface from curve or curve. So now, basically, I would now draw a line to here. Actually, we don't need it, but never mind. So I think the second curve is important. Now it's the important curve. I will make it here. And how long should I make? I think he's good. He's quite okay. And I also want to explode it, the curve, what we had before. Now we got this endpoint. You can draw a line to here, to the endpoint, or to the intersection point to here. So, zack. Okay, basically I have changed the shape of this curve. Okay, never mind. Now, because I want to make sure I can split it, the surface here, so I will make it longer. Now I just go to mirror. Be sure you have the end snap is enabled and the endpoint object snap is also enabled. It's here on the left side down on the screen. So now drag it to here. So zack. Now basically what we can do is go to the, we will also project the line to the shape. And we will going to cut the shape. Here and split this curve and this curve. Split it. Bang. Also, you can also split it with it. Oh, the wrong curve. This guy and this guy. So delay it and also delay it. Now I won't change this shape because when we now do it, it will be straight, and I don't think it's quite nice. So I will rebuild it to 3 and enable the show the control points up and drag it a bit to the top here. So now it's just straightforward. I think I have to delay some. For example, this guy we don't need it. The main body. We don't need it. Delay. So and this straightforward. We also don't need these lines. I think I'm going to hide it. Also hide it. Now we have really organized. Oh, here's also one guy. So now we have now really organized shape. Okay, we need here also a curve. I'm just going to rebuild it, also to 3 and 2, and drag it down. Make sure you snap it on the endpoint of this line. Another part we don't need it. Okay, what we need is this guy, and this guy. Actually, we need this. And between the main body part, we need this. Is there a curve here? No, there's no curve. Okay. Actually, we have to split it. Split is this curve. Oh, the surface. Now, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, we need only these 3. And mirror. Now we can join it, these two. And basically what I'm going to do is just switch to ray. Switch to ray. You can also find a command here. This is the rays, and this is the cross section. Okay, now it's not so beautiful, like this rounded shape. I really don't like it. I'm going to rebuild the surface, so Control+5 I think is okay. And the last thing what we are going to do is just also switch to ray. Now switch to ray. Important, select the edges of the surface. Here also. And choose the cross section. Oh, one thing I have forgotten, because if we now make it display as us, the cross section cannot be the closest curves. So we have to split it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have selected curves. Now, it should be work now. Shift 2 rays. The first of all, the second one, 1 and 2. Be sure you select the edges, because now you have this option. It's quite good. You can see the continuity. We are going to not going to rebuild it, so we are going to like this, so you can keep the shape. The other side, the same case. Surface edges, polysurface edges. This cross section. Okay. We are basically done with today's tutorial, and have a nice day. Bye, see you.